Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, what I'm calling the greatest breakfast in the world. That's my opinion. What we've got here is a type of shakshuka. So it's a play on the shakshuka. We've got added cheese and we've got some potatoes in there, nice spices, but I really do love this one. It is absolutely delicious. What I like about it is it's served like that. Everyone digs in straight into the pan. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's get moving on this one. 4 eggs, 2 tomatoes. Try and use a nice ripe, juicy tomato. Potatoes. There's like 3 cups of potatoes or 3 potatoes, which I've cut nice and small and I've boiled them in some salt water. 1 onion, 1 cup of cheddar cheese or feta cheese or mozzarella, up to you. 1 cup of chopped parsley, 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon of chilli, 1 teaspoon of cumin. We're going to start this off with some oil. We're going to add some salt and pepper. This is delicious. So I've got a pan here and I've got some oil in there, like a centimetre or so of a sunflower or neutral oil. We're heating that up because what I want to do is fry our potatoes first. So let's just drop them in. So let's fry these for about 3 or 4 minutes, get a nice little bit of colour on them. Then we're going to take them out and then start with our onions, garlic and our sauce. Okay, so that's kind of where we want them to be. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take these out and I'm going to reduce this oil down by like 70%. Then I'll be back. Okay, there's our potatoes. We'll add them again later. Right now we're going to add our onions to this little bit of oil. We're going to add in that garlic. A little bit of black pepper. Some salt. I'm going to go for like 3 minutes. We're on a kind of medium heat now. Fantastic, these onions are just changing colour. We're now going to add in those fresh tomatoes. And like I say, try and use a nice juicy ripe one. We're then going to add the cumin and chilli powder. And if you wanted some fresh chilies, it could also be really nice. Okay, we're going to cook this for about 5 to 6 minutes. What we want is to cook those tomatoes down and get them kind of pureed. They won't completely go, but they'll give off some moisture. And then we'll move on to the next step. So as you can see, they've cooked down really nicely. Now if they didn't cook down or give off too much moisture, you could just add a little bit of water. We're now going to add back in those potatoes, just on the top there. Some cheese. Like I said, I'm using cheddar, but you could be using a different cheese if you wanted. Those eggs. A little bit of our parsley. And then what we're going to do now is we're going to get a lid on this. We're going to let it go for, well, it depends how you like your eggs really, but I'm going to let it go for about 5 minutes. Okay, and off goes the heat. Get that lid off, get some steam out of there. Now, I've cooked my eggs fairly well done. You can cook them however you like. That's it. Let's just finish this off now with a little bit more of the fresh parsley and something that I didn't show you earlier, but it's an option. Some chili flakes. I love those on there. And that for me, is a fantastic, perfect breakfast. Serve that, just take the pan to the table. Everyone digs in, it's absolutely delicious. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love to you.